What happened, Asma?
I am feeling since the evening that Amna is so aggressive.
Actually, Mom, during cycling she fell down. When I came back to help her, she behaved so bad. I don't know why.
So bad.
Mama, she always behaves like this. Even her friends also told me this.
Right. Don't worry, my love. She will be calmed down soon. Please, Allah, show me direction that how I guide my girl, as she is so aggressive. Asma and Amna, please come here. I bought these books for you.
Okay, but why?
Saw a beautiful watch. I want to gift it. So I thought I will do a competition between you both, and then I will give the gift to who will be winner.
Wow, but Mama, what type of competition?
The topic of our competition is smile.
Smile.
My lovely kids, these books contain material about smile. You should do a deep study with conscious mind. I will ask questions. Who will answer correct and score higher marks
Amna will be rewarded with the gift of what?
somehow. But the rule is who will follow the part of quiz in the life will be rewarded.
Yes, I agree.
Competitions are not like this. The ways who scores more will be rewarded.
But it's not good, my dear, that we only scores for numbers and gifts, but not for improving ourselves. Am I right, Amna?
Yes, you are right. Okay, give us the books. We will study.
First question is, when we smile, our brain releases which molecule?
When we smile, our brain releases tiny molecules called neuropeptides to help fight off stress.
Right answer. Second question is, who was known to have pleasant smiling face?
The Prophet ﷺ was known to have a pleasant smiling face. In fact, it became a part of his character. Also, Jabir radiallahu ta'ala anha said, a man came to the Prophet ﷺ and said, O Messenger of Allah, I saw in a dream that my head was cut off. Thereupon the Prophet ﷺ smiled and said, do not tell anyone if the devil tempers with your dreams, Muslim.
MashaAllah, Amna. My third question is, smiling in your brother's face is which type of act?
Smiling in your brother's face is an act of charity.
Well done, Asma. Next question is, who was the most smiling person?
Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, in fact, he used to smile regularly. That his smiles are mentioned with time again and again in stories and his traditions.
Good, Amna. Next question is, who increased our productivity?
Smiling has also been shown to increase productivity. It also makes us look younger. It's good for both ourselves and the people around us. Prophet of Allah said, verily you cannot enrich all of the people with your wealth, but rather you enrich them with your cheerful faces and good character.
MashaAllah, my girls, you played very well. And Amna, you answered so well. You prepared really well.
Yes, I did a lot of hard work.
Your hard work is just for the scores, or you will practice it in your daily life as well.
Of course, I will practice it in my life. After reading all Sunnahs of Smile, I understood how much productive it is for our physical, spiritual and mental health to smile. I learned how much important it is for us.
My girls, one of the most well-known characteristics of the Prophet ﷺ was his positive, peaceful demeanor, often his smile. It teaches us how to behave from morning until night. And behaving so aggressive on minor things is not good. So I hope you both learned a lot from this quiz.
Yes, Mom, this is the best way of learning.